Lesson: Data cleaning and transformation for supply chain applications. Data cleaning and transformation are pivotal processes in the realm of supply chain management, particularly when leveraging AI-driven analytics to derive actionable insights. These processes ensure that data is accurate, complete, and formatted in a way that is suitable for analysis, directly impacting decision-making and operational efficiency in supply chains. The primary objective is to convert raw data into a clean and organized format, ready for advanced analytics and modeling, thereby enhancing the overall effectiveness of supply chain operations. The first step in data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors in the dataset. Errors in supply chain data can arise from various sources, including manual data entry, system errors, or integration of disparate data sources. These errors manifest as duplicates, missing values, or inconsistent data formats. The use of automated tools such as OpenRefine, a powerful tool for cleaning messy data, can significantly streamline this process. OpenRefine allows users to explore large datasets and identify patterns or inconsistencies that require cleaning. In practice, cleaning supply chain data often begins with dealing with missing values, which are common in datasets derived from various sources. Missing data can skew analysis results, leading to poor decision-making. Techniques such as imputation, where missing values are replaced with estimated ones based on other available data, or simply removing rows or columns with missing values, are often employed. The choice of technique depends on the nature of the data and the specific application within the supply chain. Duplicates are another common issue in supply chain data. Duplicate records can occur when data from multiple sources are combined without proper integration protocols. For instance, when merging data from different warehouse management systems, duplicate entries for the same product or transaction can arise. Deduplication methods, including algorithmic approaches that identify and remove duplicates, are essential. Tools like Talon Data Integration provide robust solutions for identifying and eliminating duplicate records, ensuring data integrity. Once data is cleaned, transformation processes are applied to convert data into a usable format. Transformation involves changing data types, standardizing data formats, and aggregating data to facilitate analysis. For example, converting currency values from multiple countries into a single currency is a transformation step crucial in global supply chain management. Similarly, standardizing date formats and units of measure is vital for consistency across datasets. Frameworks like extract, transform, load are widely used in supply chain data transformation. ETL processes involve extracting data from various sources, transforming it into a format suitable for analysis, and loading it into a data warehouse or other storage systems. Tools such as Apache NiFi and Informatica PowerCenter are commonly used for implementing ETL processes, offering features that support complex transformation logic and large-scale data operations. Case studies illustrate the dramatic impact of effective data cleaning and transformation on supply chain efficiency. A notable example is the case of Walmart, which employs advanced data cleaning and transformation techniques to manage its vast supply chain operations. By integrating data from thousands of suppliers and stores, Walmart uses sophisticated algorithms to clean and transform data, ensuring that inventory levels are optimized across its global network. This has led to significant reductions in stockouts and overstock situations, improving customer satisfaction and reducing costs. Another example is the Procter & Gamble supply chain, which utilizes data cleaning and transformation to improve demand forecasting. By ensuring that data from retailers and distributors is clean and well-structured, P&G can accurately predict demand patterns, allowing for more efficient inventory management and production planning. This has resulted in reduced lead times and increased responsiveness to market changes. Statistics underscore the importance of data cleaning and transformation in supply chain applications. According to a study by the MIT Center for Transportation and Logistics, companies that invest in high-quality data cleaning and transformation processes see an average improvement of 10 to 15% in operational efficiency. This improvement translates to millions of dollars in cost savings and increased competitiveness in the market. In conclusion, data cleaning and transformation are critical components of AI-driven supply chain analytics. By ensuring data accuracy and consistency, these processes enable businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their supply chain operations. Tools such as OpenRefine and talent data integration, along with frameworks like ETL, provide practical solutions for addressing data challenges in supply chains. Real-world examples from companies like Walmart and P&G demonstrate the tangible benefits of investing in robust data cleaning and transformation practices. As supply chains become increasingly complex and data-driven, the ability to effectively clean and transform data will continue to be a key determinant of success in the industry.